Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you how to use Zip Virtual Card in store. Zip gives you a few different ways to pay in physical stores, either with a barcode or by scanning a QR code, and all of them work right inside the app. If you want to use the in-store barcode through the app, start by tapping the Pay icon. Choose In-Store and then tap Generate Barcode. Pick the account you want to use and tap Generate Barcode again. The app will display a unique 6-digit code. Just give this code to the cashier so they can process your payment. Keep in mind the code only lasts for about 5 minutes, so be sure to use it right away. After the cashier enters the code, just confirm the purchase in your app. If you prefer to do it from the Zip website, log in and select Shop in Store from the menu at the bottom of the screen. Zip will send you a 6-digit verification code. Type that code in and the system will create a barcode for you. Show that barcode to the cashier so they can complete the transaction. Once they finish ringing up your items, you'll get a confirmation on your end. And that's it. You can also pay by scanning a QR code using the app. Tap the Pay icon, select In-Store, and then choose Scan QR Code. Pick which account you want to use. Point your camera at the store's QR code and line it up inside the frame. Just like the barcode, the code will expire after 5 minutes, so make sure to scan it when you're ready to pay. After the scan goes through, confirm your purchase to complete the transaction. And that's it. Using the Zip Virtual Card in-store is easy once you know which method your store supports, and everything can be done in just a few taps.